Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about this button right here. This is the air recirculation button in a car, and I'll specifically be answering the question of what does the car air recirculation button do and when to use it. So that button right there, as I turn the camera over towards me, that button right there serves a very specific purpose. It actually recirculates the air within the car. So when that button is not on, when that function is not turned on, the car is getting fresh air from outside and then sending it inside the car. When that button is on, so when the light is on with that button and the function has been turned on for the air recirculation mode, the car takes the air that's already in the car and just recirculates it, okay? So you can turn it on and off manually, and in some cars it's going to automatically turn on with certain settings, okay? Now I'm going to tell you when you should use it. You can use it whenever you want to use it. At the end of the day, you know, you can essentially use it at any time. You just turn it on and off, but it is basically meant for a very specific situation, or two specific situations. Number one is if it's hot outside, if it's a hot day and you want to run your air conditioner in your car and cool the car down significantly. So if you turn on air recirculation mode, this is what's going to happen, okay? Okay, if you don't turn it on, I'll start with that. If you don't turn it on, your car is going to be sucking in the hot air from outside, and then the air conditioner will be cooling it down. So the air conditioner is always going to be cooling hot air. Therefore, you're only going to get a medium cold level of air, okay? If you turn on air recirculation mode, the air conditioner will start off by cooling down the hot air that's probably already in the car, but then it's going to cool down that cooler air that's in the car now. And then it's going to cool down that cold air that's in a car once the air has been recirculated a few times. So that's going to lead the air to be really, really cold. And if you want that ice cold air conditioner air, that's really what the function that you have to turn on, okay? So what I recommend is on a hot day, roll your windows down, turn on your air conditioner, and turn on the recirculation mode. This way, the hot air gets let out of the car, okay? And your car starts recirculating the hot air to the warm air, to the cool air, to the cold air, to the ice cold air conditioner air. So it just continues cooling the air. Leave your windows rolled down for a couple minutes to let out the hot air. Turn your air conditioner on with the air recirculation mode on, and just let it run. And then eventually when the air is cool, you can obviously, you know, roll the windows up so you get that really ice cold air. The other situation in which air recirculation mode is useful is if you're trying to defog your windows. With air recirculation mode, it actually takes the air and it's going to decrease the humidity. So, you know, what you want to do, if you use air recirculation mode, like, you need to use it to decrease the humidity to defog the windows. Also, it will cool down the air, which is better at defogging the windows. So yeah, like I said, I'm not a professional, so like this is just the stuff that I learned about. And as far as I know, I'm correct. I might have gotten a couple things wrong, but as far as I know, I understand it as much as I can. So basically, the air recirculation mode is useful for cooling down your car on a hot summer day, and also defogging the windows because it makes the air a bit cooler and it decreases the humidity. It dries out the air. That's what I should say. It dries out the air, which will defog your windows, okay? Because it's going to dry out that air, which will reduce the level of condensation and fog on the windows. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.